Hi everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in today's video, I'm gonna tell you the main things about the history of Ethereum, or what is Ethereum. But before we start, make sure you subscribe to this channel and don't forget to hit that bell icon so you never miss any updates. Indeed, even the individuals who are inexperienced with blockchain are probably going to have found out about Bitcoin, the digital money and installment framework that utilizes the innovation. Another stage, called Ethereum, that likewise utilizes blockchain, is anticipated by certain specialists to surpass Bitcoin sooner rather than later, yet feelings vary. Above all else, Ethereum needs to demonstrate that it addresses added esteem. Bitcoin, for instance, is as of now acknowledged as a method for installment. Be that as it may, what is Ethereum? Ethereum is an open source public help that utilizes blockchain innovation to encourage savvy agreements and digital currency exchanging safely without an outsider. There are two records accessible through Ethereum: remotely claimed accounts constrained by private keys affected by human clients, and agreement accounts. Ethereum permits designers to send a wide range of decentralized applications. Despite the fact that Bitcoin stays the most famous digital currency, it's Ethereum's forceful development that has many theorizing it will before long overwhelm Bitcoin in utilization. After the presence of Bitcoin, blockchain immediately caught the minds of designers around the planet. In 2013, Canadian designer Vitalik Buterin proposed another stage that would permit decentralized applications and usher in another period of online exchanges. After an underlying raising money crusade, Ethereum was dispatched in 2015 and 72 million coins were printed. These first coins were given to individuals who at first supported the undertaking, and still made up about 65% of the coins in the framework as of April 2020. Ethereum plans to build up a decentralized stage with which engineers ought to be urged to grow the then new innovation of savvy contracts and apps which offer more blockchain conceivable outcomes. Course of events of the most recent turn of events. A few codename models of Ethereum were created by the Ethereum Foundation as a component of their confirmation of idea arrangement. Olympic was the last model and public beta pre-discharge. The Olympic organization gave clients a bug abundance of 25,000 Ether for stress testing the restrictions of the Ethereum blockchain. In July 2015, Boondocks denoted the provisional test arrival of the Ethereum platform. Since the underlying dispatch, Ethereum has gone through a few arranged convention redesigns, which are significant changes influencing the basic usefulness or potentially impetus designs of the platform. Protocol updates are cultivated by methods for a hard fork. The furthest down the line move up to Ethereum was Muir Glacier, executed on 1st of January 2020. The DAO occasion. In 2016, a decentralized independent association called the DAO, a bunch of keen agreements created on the stage, raised a record $150 million of every crowd sale to subsidize the project. The DAO was abused in June 2016 when $50 million of DAO tokens were taken by an obscure hacker. The occasion started a discussion to the crypto local area about whether Ethereum ought to play out an antagonistic hard fork to reappropriate the influenced funds. It brought about the organization parting into two blockchains: Ethereum with the burglary turned around, and Ethereum Classic, which proceeded on the first chain. The hard fork made a competition between two organizations. After the hard fork, Ethereum along these lines forked twice in the final quarter of 2016 to manage different assaults. Endeavor Ethereum Alliance. In March 2017, different blockchain new businesses Research gatherings and Fortune 500 organizations reported the formation of the Enterprise Ethereum Alliance, with 30 establishing members. By May 2017, the not-for-profit association had 116 venture individuals, including Consensys, CME Group, Cornell University's Examination Gathering, Toyota Research Institute, Samsung SDS, Microsoft, Intel, JP Morgan, Cooley LLP, Merck KGaA, DTCC, Deloitte, Accenture, Banco Santander, BNY Mellon, ING, and National Bank of Canada. By July 2017, there were more than 150 individuals in the collusion, including MasterCard, Cisco Systems, SBER Bank, and Scotiabank. Hard forks. Convention changes, otherwise called hard forks, can be arranged or impromptu. One purpose behind an arranged fork could be, in addition to other things, to adjust the framework for overseeing new seeds, to present security conventions, or to streamline the prospecting interaction. Impromptu forks can be the after effect of a newfound weakness that some would prefer not to see fixed, or different occasions for which there is no commonly acknowledged methodology. For instance, a digital assault may persuade network diggers to change the convention while others adhere to the old convention and need to address worries on a case-by-case basis. The main model here is the division of Ethereum and Ethereum Classic. That split continued in 2016 after framework altering that brought about the burglary of Ether worth $50 million. A few voices required the log to be changed to deliver the taken cash pointless, while others needed to keep the first logs, expressing that the cash had been taken because of a proviso in the log. This fork is known as the DAO occasion, after the distributed autonomous organization from which the digital currency was taken. Ethereum Classic, called ETC, depends on the first convention and is overseen by a group that is devoted to the first form of Ethereum. Ethereum has an administrative body considered the Ethereum Foundation that proceeds to progress and build up the stage. Arranged hard forks. Changes to the Ethereum convention make it run all the more productively and safely. There have been 7 hard forks since the DAO occasion. Tangerine Whistle, October 2016. Fake Dragon, November 2016. Byzantium, October 2017. Constantinople, February 2019. Petersburg, February 2019. Istanbul, December 2019. Muir Glacier, January 2020. ETH 2.0 is an arranged fork called that will empower quicker handling, more noteworthy preparing limit, more prominent interoperability, and diminished handling expenses. Conclusion. As of now, referenced toward the start, numerous specialists anticipate an extraordinary future for Ethereum. However, no earth-shattering application has yet been created. The prospects are surely gigantic, particularly nearby smart contracts. It stays not yet clear how the entirety of this will create in the following not many years. That's all for today's video, and thanks for watching this video. I hope you liked it. If you liked the video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to share your thoughts and valuable feedback with us in the comment section below. You can also suggest to us the topics we should cover in our upcoming videos. Lastly, if you have not already subscribed to this channel, subscribe to it. And if you want to watch more videos like this, press that bell button so you'll be notified each time I upload an interesting video to this channel. We'll see you in the next video. Bye.